How have braces changed over time? Let's talk about the journey from dry animal skins to transparent dental plaques Invisalign. It's remarkable how far technology has progressed over the previous several decades. Cell phones are growing slimmer. Most people have access to all of the world's information at any time, and we are riding in self-driving vehicles. Orthodontics is also a subject that is constantly evaluating. Metal braces are no longer the sole alternative available to patients. Here are a few examples of how braces have evolved. Braces for the first time. The first evidence of braces was discovered in ancient Egypt. Mummies' teeth were fixed and had a string made of dried animal skin running down them. Archaeologists discovered traces of retainers that gently applied pressure to the teeth throughout that time period. The invention of braces was credited to an ancient Roman called Aulus Cornelius Celsus. He documented this attempt to straighten his teeth using a variety of techniques, including a braided gold wire inserted between the teeth. Braces and invisible plaques continued evolution. During the Dark Ages, orthodontic technology came to a halt until the late 17th century. The French were the first to start pushing dentistry to new heights. They designed mouthguards that applied pressure to particular places on the teeth to help them straighten. They were also the first to remove the so-called wisdom teeth to avoid overcrowding. Christopher Francis Delaver created the braces as we know them now in 1819. He devised a braided wire that was put on both sets of teeth and gradually straightened them over time. New procedures and equipment were developed in the 20th century to help straighten teeth even further. The wire had to be wrapped around each individual tooth due to a lack of a sufficient bonding agent. The cable's sharp edges were quite uncomfortable, not to add the unattractiveness of a mouth full of metal. Braces were only available to the wealth since gold was the only metal that could be molded into the desired shape. Breakthrough in braces. Many technological advancements occurred throughout the 1970s. Computers, amazing effects in movies, music, and braces. Metal braces as we know them now were produced using new bonding agents, stainless steel, and innovative methods. Orthodontists figured out the optimal location and devised techniques that allowed patients to wear braces for shorter periods of time and with less discomfort. Braces have become considerably more inexpensive for the common individual because of the usage of alternative metals. As a result, many more people began to invest in straight teeth, promoting even more study. Invisible braces in the modern era. When it comes to teeth straightening, there are more alternatives than ever before. In the past, you only had the option of wearing large, cumbersome metal braces or wearing unpleasant retainers. Invisible braces like Invisalign are now accessible to most patients as an alternative to metal braces. They are designed to fit naturally on the teeth and may be removed when you want to consume anything that isn't braces friendly or when they need to be cleaned. Invisible braces are popular because of their easy of use and attractive appearance. Metal braces with a slimmer profile. While invisible braces may work for many individuals, some still require metal braces to achieve the greatest results. Modern braces are significantly thinner and less visible than metal braces of the past 20 years. The metal component that is bonded to the teeth is more slimline, and transparent bands can be put around it to blend it in even more with your teeth. If you want a splash of color, the bands are available in a range of colors, so you may choose the one that best suits your mold. Modern braces have considerably smoother edges than older braces, thus gum damage is much less of a concern.